Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to calculate the molecular weight of this compound. So molecular weight is also known as molar mass or molecular mass. So for calculating the molecular weight for any compound, you should know the atomic mass of the element. So here, sodium hydroxide. The sodium atomic mass is 23, oxygen atomic mass is 16, and hydrogen atomic mass is 1. So here sodium is there. So only one sodium is there, one oxygen is there, one hydrogen is there. So multiply this atomic mass into how many number of atom is there. So 23 into 1 plus oxygen atomic mass 16 and only one atom is there. So 1 plus hydrogen 1 into 1. So 23 plus 16 plus 1, which is 40. Then in this way, let's take one more example, that is H2O. Now here hydrogen have two atom and oxygen has only one atom. So hydrogen atomic mass is 1. So 1 into, here 2 atom is there, so into 2 plus oxygen atomic mass 16 and 1 atom, so into 1. So 2 plus 16, which is 18. So water molecular weight is 18 U.